evolution is the big idea that underpins everything in biology.
For me, it's evolution. Nothing in biology makes sense without considering evolution.
So we need understanding of evolution, evolutionary theory, of classification, of ecology. A whole suite of ecological theories are really important to understand. There's a lot to know, isn't it?
If you don't understand evolution, and if you haven't had a proper training in evolutionary theory, you are ill-equipped as a biologist. It should then have a very clear view about scale in biological systems. So you need to have an understanding of genes, of molecules, of cells.
They need to understand the fundamental life processes, the interactions between things like the water cycle and the nitrogen cycle and the phosphorus cycle, and how those affect different organisms, how they're responding at the cellular level right up to the whole organism level, and then I guess interactions more broadly within populations and communities and species.
Knowledge of how the information in DNA actually is choreographed to produce a living organism, and how the chemical reactions in the cells and the signaling between the cells and within the cells, that dance of metabolism and chemistry is just the most incredible thing. I mean, life is awesome.
But biology is too big a subject now to possibly understand everything about every aspect of the discipline in great detail.
As information has, the information base has expanded, we still try to cover it all, and we're not good about giving up something altogether.
And the trouble is, some aspects are more trendy or supposedly more employable than others, and some of to me, the most important and interesting aspects of biology lose out, and that is biodiversity.
They need to know how to find what they need to know, but they don't need to know all the facts about everything.
We spend quite a lot of time ensuring that we have a lot of content, and people have to learn a lot and make sure that they pass exams. And what I find in particular, and it's probably more a reflection of my own career, is that you forget that stuff very quickly.
There's so much biology for students to learn. Physiology, biochemistry, vertebrate biology, invertebrate biology, that within a university education degree, it's very hard to squeeze everything in.
A lot of people who go into biology do it because they think they're escaping maths. And it's certainly true that they're escaping a lot of maths, but nevertheless, statistics is the absolute basis for carrying out biological experiments and analysing the data properly.
Understanding mathematics and mathematical theories with respect to statistics, that's another area where we've got to make sense of diversity by putting in some sort of mathematical construct as well, and that's what ecologists do.
I mean, I think these days you need quite a lot of maths, physics and chemistry. Computer programming would be good as well. So really, biology is very interdisciplinary.